Yeah. Very good evening to all of you. My name is Subarna Shyamroy, as you can see, and I'm just heading up the patent management department of Reliance Industries Limited. I think to say a few words about Reliance, how it is, it could be a good idea to put things into perspective. See, we are basically right now known as a petrochemical company which has got footprints in the whole value chain, starting from the exploration, production of oil and gas, then refining, then the value-added chemicals, apart from fuels, which also includes different kind of materials, polymers, polyesters, textiles, etc. So about 40 years ago, this company started simply as a textile trader and a textile grade material manufacturer. And then there has been a long history of continuous back integration, which prompted the company to go into manufacturing the polyesters and the ingredients of polyester, and then further sources of the ingredients of polyester, which lies in the petroleum value chain, and then go back to crude and refine it and stuff like that. So therefore, you see, typically this kind of company, when it grows so fast, it mainly depends on in-licensing the best practices, the best technologies around the world. Technologies are scouted, selected, and then commissioned for manufacturing. And the manufacturing processes and the raw material specs are benchmarked against the best in the world, and that's how it grows. So the lots of innovations that happen, not only the very technical inventions, but also the business innovations and all kinds of other innovations. Traditionally, they have remained as know-hows within the company, or know-hows mutually shared with the licensors or in the whole value chain, starting from licensors, vendors, suppliers, and customers. So for this kind of company, knowledge itself and know-how itself is IP, and not just patents. Of course, in very recent time, in maybe we can say the last decade, we have also done very well in the statutory IP, which is patents, and we also have a couple of thousands of trademarks as well. But the main value that comes is from the know-how once again. And in our kind of technology, the innovations are mainly into process technology. We do have right now close to 1,000 patent applications, and out of them more than 200, somewhere close to 250 are granted also. And we have all kinds of claims in there, process, composition of matter, product by process, whatever you can think of. Nevertheless, know-how remains a very big part of our IP. So this is just to give a background of how IP is created in our company, or our kind of company. Now, coming to the question of, yes, like he very well said, that to the bottom line of the company, how does this IP matter? Or to the CEOs and CTOs of the company, how does this IP matter? Because ultimately, at the end of the day, the game is played by value. So IP is just one more asset. We have lots of different kinds of assets, tangible, intangible, and all that. So IP is just one more asset. When we take pride in creating assets, we of course at the same time have to always see that, like any other asset, this asset cannot also remain idle. It has to be put in service. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So I think we need to understand the format of this panel a little bit. So fine, I think introduction part is over, and all I just want to conclude for the introduction part is that the value is developed from this IP asset not only by doing or trying to do IP trading or IP transaction, but putting this asset into harness, implementing them, converting them into technology, and creating cash flows and premiums out of better technologies. So that's how I would like to conclude the, the introduction part of our company and its lookout on the IP.